Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to deposit money to IronFX. And for this we are now on the dashboard, and if you click on transactions and click here on deposit money, we go right here to the deposit page. Now you will see right here a lot of options that we can use to deposit money on our IronFX account. You can also do this with digital assets, but we want to do it with a credit debit card. So now we click on deposit right here. And then after we click on the deposit here, we need to fill in all our details. So fill in your address, city, postcode, date of birth, then select here the account where you want to put money on. Then after that, select here the card type, and then from here select your account-based currency. So let's do USD, and the deposit amount what you want to deposit right there. Once you did that, you click here on submit, and you need to do the following steps. And after that, you deposit money with your credit or debit card to IronFX. So this is how it works. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.